What's up? I'm Tren Genius. You tuned in to the right video at the right time, because in this video, I'm about to tell you something that only 1% of people in the whole entire world knows. Okay, I actually learned this secret about 5 years ago. Before that, I was broke. Before that, I did not know how to get money. Money was not coming to me, and I just didn't know what I was doing wrong. But I actually found this secret, and I know the 3 ways to manifest money to you fast. Just do this, okay? So I can almost guarantee you, when this video is over, if you actually listen to what I'm about to tell you and you are able to comprehend it, this video is gonna change your whole entire perspective on how to attract money, and you will no longer ever have money problems. Money will become the last thing that you have a problem with, all right? So listen to the whole video and to the end, because what I'm about to tell you is extremely important. Now, I remind you, most people don't know this, all right? Average population society don't know this. Lawyers don't know this, okay? A lot of entrepreneurs don't know this. Athletes and celebrities don't even know this. They just make money off of their craft. They don't even realize that they can manifest money and it'll just come to them naturally, okay? So I'm about to tell you the secret law of the universe on how you can make money begin to start manifesting to you very, very fast. Listen, make sure you subscribe to my channel after this video. All right. Now, here's the first thing you need to know about money. And I'm pretty sure you already done heard it one time before, and it's really true. Okay. I even found this out. Money is just simply energy. It's energy, but it comes in a paper bill form. Okay. So this energy is constantly moving around out in society. Money's moving around right now. Somebody's counting out some money right now. Somebody's paying for something right now, okay? Money is energy. It's going to people that have very high vibrations, all right? Now, I hate to use this for an example, but I'm about to explain to you how money attracts to people of a high vibration and not people with a low vibration. And this is actually why the rich continue to get richer and the poor continue to get poor, all right? Take notice when you see a panhandler out on the street and they begging for money. They got a cardboard sign. They got shaggy rag clothes on. They got holes in their clothes. They look dirty, like they haven't took baths. They just stink, you know what I mean? And you just don't want to have nothing to do with them, okay? You like, no, don't touch me. And these people have a very low self-confidence, all right? Money only attracts to people that have extremely high confidence about themselves. If you have no self-love, all right, you don't take care of yourself, okay, you don't get the boogers out your nose in the morning, you don't wipe the slobber off your face, you don't care how you look when you go out in public, then you're not representing yourself as a money magnet, okay? Remember, money is an energy that's on a very high vibration. So the first way to manifest money fast is you have to have extremely high level of confidence, all right? This is why a lot of women do not attract a lot of money fast, and they're always chasing a man to take care of them. It's because most women have a very low confidence, failing to realize that's actually repelling money away from her, and that actually repels the guy away from her who has all the money. You see what I'm saying? So you got to make sure that you have an extremely high level of confidence if you want to be able to attract money and become a money magnet. Why? This is why. Just imagine if you took good care of yourself, right? And you walk outside, you handsome like me. I wasn't always handsome, by the way. But anyway, you take good care of yourself. You dress nice, all right? Your face looks like it's glowing up, okay? You always wear your perfume or your cologne, like Givenchy, when you go outside. People can smell you. People are watching your mannerisms. When you feel good about yourself, when you have self-love, everybody notices it. Okay, everybody notice the people who love themselves a lot, because the people who love themselves a lot radiate an air of confidence off of them. And this air of confidence that radiates off of you, once you have it, goes out into the universe and it gets everybody to notice you. And people that usually notice you are people who have money. All right. People who have money are noticing other people who have money. All right. Everything that has prosperity written on it and abundance and money, as soon as you step out into the universe, if you have very high level of self-confidence and you love yourself to the highest degree, all right, everything in the universe will begin to attract to you. Okay. Money will come to you in ways you cannot even dream of if you're able to go from having a low self-confidence or a bad self-image to a high self-level of confidence, a high level of vibration. Remember, money is energy. It's simply a vibration. All right. So that's what I learned on my journey when I was always broke. I never had no money, just lint in my pockets. I always used to wonder like why I couldn't get a job, why my paycheck was never a paycheck that I was looking for, why I kept getting minimum wage. Like I just always wonder like why couldn't I attract money? That's because I had low confidence. I didn't love myself. I didn't have a big self-image about myself. I just didn't feel like I was motivated enough to feel good about my own self back then. But when I realized this secret, I began to change my confidence. And now I step outside like I'm the king. And everybody sees me and knows that I'm the king. It's the same thing with you. Everybody will see you and they will respect you if they know you are carrying yourself like a goddess. Or if you're carrying yourself like a queen. Okay. People will damn near take clothes off their back to give you their clothes if they see that you love yourself. You have high levels of self-confidence. All right. When you have a high level of self-confidence, people will pay you for your product or your services or for your time because they think that your time is valuable. All right. They can see that you're a very important person. And in the society that we live in, becoming important is what everybody wants to be. OK, so once you carry yourself with a high level of self-confidence, you actually are going outside and becoming a money magnet, and everybody wants to pay attention to you. Everybody will begin to just give you your way. Everybody will begin to open up doors for you. They will move out the way for you. Why? Because you are radiating a high level of self-confidence. And when you radiate a high level of self-confidence, you radiate in a high vibration. And this vibration is going out and it's pulsating out into the universe. And it's saying, everything come to me. Money come to me. Women come to me. Okay? Why you think most gold diggers chase men that got Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Rolls Royce trucks? Because they pick up on the money frequency. Okay, why you think when people are chilling at a restaurant and they see fast cars going down the street like Mercedes, McLarens, any type of fast car, Ferrari 122s, and everybody looks like, who is that? You know, I wonder who is that? They trying to look through the tents. They're trying to figure out who that person is. That's because people have a natural born tendency to want to know who is on the money frequency. People want to know who's the richest. People want to know who's on the money vibration because naturally, deep down inside, they want to be rich and they want to have the money vibration. Now, remember, money is simply just an energy. The only thing you have to do begin to attract everything to you that's on the money frequency is you have to have an extremely high level of confidence. And you have to feel good about yourself. And you have to have a high level of self-love. Broke people will hate on you for this. They will call you greedy. They will call you what's the word for somebody to think they all that? They'll say you all that. They'll actually become against you in opposition towards you when you start feeling good about yourself. This is why people always run out your life when you start feeling good about yourself or when you got something good going on with yourself. It's because people are naturally attracted to that. And since they're attracted to that and they can't have that for themselves, they run away from it, which is the reason why people stay broke. Okay. Most people want to be rich. Most people want to be on the money frequency, but they too scared and they don't know how to feel good about themselves. They think that it's a bad thing to love themselves, and so they never end up loving themselves, and they hate other people who love themselves, and they never end up getting on the money vibration. All right. Now, the next thing that you must know about money in order to manifest money is this. And 99.9% of the population does not know this. And this is why the rich get richer. This is why the poor stay poor. OK. Remember, money is simply just an energy. Money is just circulating everywhere, even as we speak. Somebody's buying something at a restaurant or at a store and they're giving the clerk their money. Clerk put the money in the cash register. The next person comes in. The clerk gives that person money to this person. This person takes that money and gives it to their sister. The sister goes spend money on buying a new bikini for the beach. Then they buy the bikini for the beach. They give that money to somebody. That money just constantly is just circulating because it's energy. Remember, it's going to the person who has the very high confidence, the very high vibration. So what that means is You cannot think about money like the average person does. The average person thinks that the money that they have, they're never going to get more of it. That's why people try to save money. This is why people try to hold on to money and never want to dish it out, because they think that they're actually spending money, when in all actuality, they just a part of the circulation process. When you spend your money, you got to keep in mind that this money is being circulated. There's going to be more money to come back to you only if you stay in a high level of vibration and on the money energy, the money frequency. Okay. So you have to get out of the mindset of spending money. I'm spending money on this. Why are you spending money on that? Why are you buying that? That is too high. That is too expensive. People who think that things are too high and who think that things are too expensive, they are always broke. They never have money. Why? Because they are afraid to spend money. They're living their life in a mindset thinking that if they spend what they have, they're never going to get what they have back. Okay. When that's true, that's not true. That's untrue. Okay. That's an illusion. If you spend your money, it's going to come back because you're going to buy the thing that you truly desire. All right. So with that being said, you got to keep in mind, if you want something, you got to be able to buy it. Okay. And if you have $40 left and it costs 20, you got to be able to buy it and not be scared that you're going to have a bill to pay or something after that. Most people, when they T-Mobile bill, their AT&T phone bill comes, they're like ducking and dodging the bill. Why? Because they're scared of money. They're scared of money. You literally have to kill the mind thought that money is a scary thing to spend. Okay, because you're not going to get more of it once you spend it. You got to kill that negative thought in your mind if you want to get into the money circulation. Okay, remember, money is an energy. You have to get in the money circulation and become a part of the money circulation in order for the money to begin to circulate to you. If you think that you're spending your money on things that are expensive because it costs too much, you are putting out a thought wave into the universe that's saying that you are a broke person and you can't afford something that costs too much because it costs too much. All right. Which takes us into the third way to manifest money fast. All right. The third way to manifest money fast is you have to begin to buy what you desire. All right. Buy the things that truly make you feel good, that resonates with you. All right. Most people, the reason why they remain broke and they remain money disabled is because even the thing that they desire to buy, they are afraid to spend money on it. Why? Because they have a low confidence that they can be able to attract money again after they spend it. All this stuff works hand in hand. Low confidence, scared to spend money, not buying what you desire, even though you want it. Okay. So that's something that I did on my journey in order to start to raise my vibration, because you got to remember, money is an energy. Okay. So even if something comes into your reality that you truly desire, whether it's a pair of new shoes, it could be an electric toothbrush. You're like, yo, I've been using a manual toothbrush all my life. I wanted to buy the electric toothbrush, but the electric toothbrush costs like twice as much as a regular toothbrush, right? Because it's like $40, right? Or $60, maybe even $80, right? Your friend that's with you in Target, she's going to say, oh my God, that is a very high price toothbrush. Why don't you just get this cheap toothbrush? Your friend is living in a broke mindset, okay? She talks brokenese, okay? So she's never going to be able to manifest money fast because she's not using the law of the universe, which is, you got to be able to buy what you desire, because you got to understand that money is just energy. Okay. Money is just energy, and you're spending your energy to buy something that's going to have raise your level of energy. Okay. So if, for instance, if you bought that electric toothbrush that actually spins for you and it gets more plaque off your teeth, you're literally going to have whiter teeth than when you, as opposed to you brushing your teeth by yourself. All right. You know what I mean? So it's the same way with everything. If you go into the liquor store, for instance, and you've been buying Smirnoff, Kettle One liquor, all the cheap liquor, Tito's, $19 bottles of liquor, you've been buying that all your life because you've been around people that have always bought cheap stuff, okay? And you're scared to go buy the Don Julio that costs like $80. You know what I mean? Or you're scared to go buy the Bombay Sapphire gin that costs like $70. You know what I mean? Because all your life you've been surrounded with people who are broke and who never attract or manifest money. So you refrain from buying the liquor that is actually going to last longer. It actually tastes better, and it's actually going to give you less of a headache, and you're never going to have a hangover, as opposed to buying a bottle of $7.99 Smirnoff and making you feel horrible the next day, a super bad hangover. You see the difference? So when you begin to get in a mindset, you're not spending your money, you're actually circulating your energy to buy something of another, that's another energy that's gonna raise your vibration to make you feel more confident. And if you have more confidence, then you're going to be able to attract more money to you, okay? This is all about vibration. Money will come to you the more happier you are, okay? Notice how people are. They're very miserable, very negative, cynical. Think about all the girlfriends that ever turned their back on you, that start arguments with you and stuff like that, fellas. The reason why they did that 9 times out of 10 is because they had low confidence and they were probably broke, okay? So you wasn't able to give them the money that they needed because they had a broke mindset. They did not watch this video, so therefore they never knew how to manifest money, okay? We can see it all around us as a society. Most problems start, even in marriages, relationships, or arguments and fights with people, is usually due to the fact that somebody doesn't have money and they are angry and they have a low confidence. Okay, this is how the whole world operates. Once you understand this, you will begin to get into the circulation and the vibration of money, and money will just naturally attract to you in ways that you cannot even imagine. The universe is like water. It's just fluid. It's like an ocean of a whole lot of water. It's infinite money out here. Okay, y'all just seen Dak Prescott just got a $126 million contract for football, and people were like, "Oh my God, how did he do that? That's impossible." When it comes to money, there is no limits to money. You can have $1 trillion if you know how to attract money and manifest money to you. Okay? Dak Prescott just manifested money to him and it blew everybody's mind. Why? Because most people don't think in a prosperity mindset that you can actually make that much money as a quarterback because they think that it's supposed to be in this tax bracket. Do you get what I'm saying? So if you do these 3 things that I just told you in this video, you're going to notice that money will begin to come to you. Slowly but surely, it will begin to attract itself to you. Now, here's the punch. Here's the catch right here. Now, what I'm telling you, if you start doing this, you might not notice things like money coming to you like by the heaps and, by the groves, like really, really fast. You're not going to notice an abundance and prosperity of money just coming to you like today after this video. What you got to do is get in the habit of practicing this daily. You got to get in the habit of thinking like this daily. The more you think like this, the more you have a high level of confidence. The more you see yourself like a money magnet. You take good care of yourself. You love yourself despite haters calling you conceited or arrogant or whatever because they broke. All right. The more you love yourself, the more you have self-confidence, the more you get into a habit of just purchasing things without being scared to spend it. Okay. The more you buy what you desire and stop going for the cheap stuff and the discount cheap stuff that's never going to last long, the more you start buying things of value and not being afraid to know that the money is never going to come back, okay? The money will come back because your vibration is only going to raise the more things that you have for yourself, the more fly cars that you have for yourself, the more nice wardrobes that you have for yourself, outfits. The more friends that begin to attract themselves to you because they caught you on a day that you have very high confidence. They are attracted to high confident people. The more friends that you have, the more you're going to begin to just feel good all about yourself all around. And then you're going to have an extremely high level of vibration every single day. You're going to be happy to wake up in the morning. Like nowadays, my vibration is on a level that when I wake up in the morning, which is early because I'm ready to get the day started because I'm so excited of what the day is going to bring because I know this secret and I've been doing it for 5 years. And I get up, I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I'm booming with so much energy as you can feel it in this video. Okay, that's because I'm on a money frequency. All right, I'm on a money vibration. All right. So I hope that you got this. I can guarantee you that what I just told you, it works. Remember, money is just energy and you're not spending money. You're actually circulating it. So let's get into the money circulation. Comment below. I'm going to get into the money circulation. I'm going to get into the money vortex. Shouts out to all the people out there who purchased my money vortex part 1, part 2 for the discounted price that I've been giving it out for. If you do not have that, you want to make sure that you contact me, TrenHenderson@gmail.com, if you want part 1 and part 2 for the discounted price of 1. Okay, I'm just giving it out like candy for everybody who wants to purchase it. That too has information similar to what I've just talked about in this video, except it just gets a little deeper and it has some videos that I have not yet posted on my YouTube channel. So make sure you get in contact with me by email if you want Money Vortex 1 and 2 today. TrennisHenderson@gmail.com. These are the 3 ways to make money manifest to you fast. I guarantee you 100% this works. Get this video a thumbs up if it resonated with you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon, wherever you see that face icon at. Click my face icon, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time your big brother Tren Genius upload wonderful exclusive videos like these 2 right here every single day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.